Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Kuki Decor. Today we will show you the collection of tree stump furniture ideas for sustainable and stylish decor. Tree stump furniture is more than just a home decor choice. It is a lifestyle statement rooted in sustainability, creativity, and respect for nature. It allows homeowners to craft unique, functional pieces that tell a story, preserve natural beauty, and reduce environmental impact. Whether used as a coffee table, a nightstand, a planter, or a pet bed, each stump brings its own character and warmth into a space. With proper care and thoughtful design, tree stump furniture can serve as both a daily utility and a lasting reminder of the harmonious balance between human comfort and the natural world. As the world moves toward more responsible and mindful living, integrating such sustainable choices into our homes can be both a personal joy and a collective step forward. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful furniture ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and crafts ideas videos daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. To never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas, smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. The charm of tree stump furniture lies in its unique character. Each stump has a distinct grain pattern, shape, and color, making every piece of furniture inherently one of a kind. This uniqueness cannot be replicated by mass-produced items, and it's one of the reasons why stump furniture feels so personal and special in a home. By incorporating tree stumps into interior design, homeowners are not just acquiring furniture, they are bringing a slice of the forest into their living space, along with all the rustic warmth and organic beauty that comes with it. In a world increasingly dominated by synthetic materials and automated manufacturing, tree stump furniture stands out as a refreshing return to craftsmanship and nature. Tree stump furniture has gained widespread attention in the world of interior design and sustainable living. This trend is not only driven by aesthetic sensibilities, but also by the increasing global emphasis on eco-friendly lifestyles and upcycled home decor. Utilizing natural elements such as tree stumps to create furniture merges the beauty of organic forms with the functionality of everyday pieces. As more people seek to reduce their environmental footprint, repurposing tree stumps has emerged as a compelling solution, one that is both sustainable and stylish. These naturally occurring materials, often discarded or left to rot after trees are cut down or fall due to storms, offer an incredible opportunity to create timeless, functional furniture that brings nature indoors in an elegant and responsible way. One of the most popular and versatile uses of tree stumps in furniture is as coffee tables. A single large stump can be transformed into a stunning centerpiece for a living room. With a bit of sanding, polishing, and sealing, a tree stump can retain its raw edge while providing a smooth and practical surface for daily use. Depending on the desired aesthetic, it can be left in its natural form to highlight the rings and imperfections that tell the story of the tree's life, or it can be stained or painted for a more refined appearance. For those who prefer a more contemporary look, combining a raw wood top with sleek metal or acrylic legs can result in a piece that seamlessly blends rustic and modern styles. Side tables and nightstands made from tree stumps are another excellent way to bring sustainable design into the home. Their compact size makes them easy to incorporate into almost any room. Placing a tree stump next to a bed or sofa creates a functional surface for a lamp, book, or cup of tea, while adding visual interest and texture. These pieces can be customized in countless ways, such as adding wheels for mobility, integrating a small drawer for hidden storage, or attaching a glass top to provide additional surface area. In this way, homeowners can tailor tree stump furniture to their needs without sacrificing its natural appeal. Stumps also make excellent stools and ottomans. When cut to the right height and thoroughly sanded, they can serve as sturdy, minimalist seating solutions. Adding a fabric or leather cushion on top enhances comfort while maintaining the rustic aesthetic. In an entryway or mudroom, a stump stool can be a convenient spot to sit while putting on shoes, and in a living room, it can double as a side table when not in use. This multifunctionality is one of the strengths of stump furniture. It adapts to a space and serves more than one purpose without requiring additional materials or environmental cost. For those with a green thumb, tree stumps can be turned into unique planters. Hollowing out the center of a stump and filling it with soil allows you to grow flowers, succulents, or even herbs in a striking natural container. These planters can be used both indoors and outdoors, adding greenery to your space while reinforcing the natural theme. In outdoor settings, they blend harmoniously with the environment, and indoors, they provide an earthy contrast to modern furniture and clean lines. The key to using tree stumps as planters is ensuring proper drainage and treating the wood to prevent decay, which also helps prolong the life of the piece. A more advanced project is using a tree stump as the base for a lamp. This requires some basic electrical work, but results in a one-of-a-kind lighting fixture. The process involves drilling a hole through the stump to accommodate the wiring and attaching a lamp kit and shade. This type of lamp works well in cozy reading nooks, bedrooms, or living rooms where ambient lighting is desired. Because the base is so visually striking, the lamp itself becomes a sculptural element in the room, a work of art that is both functional and environmentally conscious. Tree stumps can also be fashioned into benches. By slicing a large stump horizontally, or using multiple stumps as supports for a longer plank of wood, one can create sturdy seating for indoor or outdoor areas. These benches can be used around a dining table, in a hallway, or on a patio. Outdoors, stump benches naturally integrate with their surroundings, especially when placed among trees or garden beds. Inside, they can anchor a rustic dining setup or add charm to an entryway. Some DIY enthusiasts even choose to carve or engrave the sides of the stumps for added personalization, turning functional furniture into heirloom pieces. Another creative use is wall-mounted tree stump shelves. These are typically made from slices of stumps or thick branches and mounted directly onto the wall with brackets. The result is a floating shelf that retains the organic curve of the tree while providing a surface for small items. These shelves are ideal for displaying plants, candles, books, or collectibles. They add dimension and natural beauty to a wall without overwhelming the space. In smaller rooms or minimalist homes, these shelves serve both decorative and functional purposes, proving that sustainability doesn't mean compromising on style. For wine lovers, tree stumps can even be transformed into wine racks. By carving horizontal grooves or drilled holes into the stump, bottles can be laid securely within the wood. This kind of rack is not only eye-catching, but also incredibly stable and durable. It serves as a conversation piece and a practical storage solution. Because of its natural insulation, wood helps maintain a stable temperature for the wine, although it is still best used in climate-controlled environments. Placed in a dining area or kitchen, a tree stump wine rack is a nod to both craftsmanship and sustainability. From a sustainability perspective, using tree stumps for furniture is a highly responsible choice. It reduces the demand for new materials and gives a second life to what might otherwise be waste. Fallen trees due to storms, land clearing, or disease are common in many regions, and using them for furniture prevents them from ending up in landfills or being burned. It also reduces the need for logging new trees, contributing to forest conservation efforts. Additionally, when compared to mass-produced furniture, which often involves chemical treatments, long transportation chains, and non-renewable materials, tree stump furniture has a significantly lower environmental impact, especially when crafted locally or DIY. In terms of aesthetics, stump furniture complements a wide range of interior design styles. In rustic or farmhouse settings, it enhances the warm, lived-in feel of the home. In modern or industrial environments, it provides an organic counterbalance to steel, concrete, and glass. Scandinavian design, known for its emphasis on simplicity and natural materials, also benefits from the inclusion of stump pieces. Even bohemian and eclectic styles, which thrive on individuality and artistic expression, welcome the texture and authenticity of tree stumps. This adaptability makes stump furniture not just a trend, but a timeless addition to sustainable decor. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Décor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Décor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.